guys, back with another video, and today I'll be showing you guys something else different, like how to make your slime really soft when it's a little bit hard. So the ingredients you'll be needing for this step, you can already tell I have something in my hand. Let me just use this. Whoa, how is it up to here? You see how it's a long thing? Wait, you guys see how it's a long thing? Look how short it is now. So right now, I just put it right here aside to put my ingredients there. I'll be back, guys, in 1 second. So I'm back, and for this thing, it's home ingredients, but if you don't have this, then you could just add water or alcohol. But as you see in the title today, I will be showing you guys how to make your slime feel softer when it's a little bit hard. So without further ado, let's get started. So the ingredients you'll be needing is just this thing. You could use anything to mix with. I'm just gonna mix it with the bottom of the pan like that. And you'll be needing some oatmeal lotion, oatmeal daily moisturizing oatmeal lotion. This, you could get this from Dollar Tree, but I got this from Target. And you could get this anywhere at the 99-cent store. Hand sanitizer. You have to use this hand sanitizer. This same hand sanitizer. I have to check if it has alcohol. If it has alcohol and salt, then that's good. If it doesn't have salt, then that's. If it doesn't have salt, if it has alcohol, then that's good. Okay. And last but not least, you're gonna be needing your slime. I have my slime in here because I don't have mint in it. Last time when I was at school, I was like, "You want mint?" And they was like, "Yeah." So I opened it and it was slime. They was like, really? So without further ado, let's get started. So first you're just gonna open your container. First you're gonna pour the lotion, and you're first gonna pour your lotion in. First pour your lotion in. So then when you're done pouring your lotion, you're just gonna take that same piece. This is rubbery, so I just rub it on the thing and stuff. I just rub it on the thing, wait till it gets like really messy and stuff, and until it gets sticky. You gotta wait until it all comes off your hands. Well, not comes off, but it all gets neat and stuff. So this slime is not that stretchy. Look guys, it's blue. It has glitter. I don't know if you can see it, but it has like all kinds of glitters in it. Wait, let me roll it. See it? Yeah, that's all the glitter I have in it. So right when you're done doing that, if you want, you can add more lotion, but I'm not adding more lotion. Now I'm gonna use my hand sanitizer. You have to pour a lot. Like, this is how much I'm pouring, because I don't know really how much I have to pour. So the measurements are 1 cup of. That's not even 4 yet. It didn't have nothing in it, and this much I wasted all the way up to here. So now I'm just gonna take the slime. Just stir it a little bit with my hands and play with it and stuff. Well, to me, this is not like slime. This is like a little Gendo thing. Gendo is like slimy-ish, gooey-ish stuff, but this is not goo. Because I made it with glue, Tide, and detergent. glue Tide. I use 3 different kinds of detergent. Again, I cannot believe this worked. Guys, you could use this to make slime. You can make slime with lotion. You put it in the freezer. So sorry, that was just my mom. She wanted me to pass her something. So right now, wait, I have to check the stove because my mom's like using the stove and I don't want it to burn. I put my slime here because like I had nowhere else to put it. Well, I have the little container of it, but I just wanted to put it here because it's like more comfortable for me. For you guys, you might not have one of these, but just use if you have a countertop, this, like a countertop. Let me leave you guys right here, because I'm just like right here. Hear this, it's gonna fart. Not gonna fart, but it's gonna make a noise. Oh, I can't make the noise because I'm on the board thing. Wait, first I gotta knead it, then poke it. I love this slime. I actually have a slime collection. I'll do my slime collection like tomorrow. Okay, so now that I'm done stirring it,